In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an invoice from the SHEIN website. To make this process as smooth as possible, it's best to use the desktop version of the website. If you're on a computer, you're already in the right place. If you're using a mobile device, switching to desktop view can make the layout easier to navigate and help you find the invoice options more quickly. Start by opening the SHEIN website and logging into your account. Make sure you sign in with the same account that was used to place the order. Otherwise, the purchase history you need may not appear. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main account area so you can access your order information without any confusion. Next, go to the My Orders section. This is where SHEIN keeps a record of your purchases, including current and past orders. You'll see a list of your recent transactions, and from here, you'll want to find the specific order you need the invoice for. If you have placed multiple orders, double check the order number or order details before opening it, just to make sure you select the correct one. Once you found the right order, click on the order number to open the full order details page. This page contains the information related to that purchase, including item details, pricing, shipping information, and invoice options. It's a good idea to wait for the page to load fully so you don't miss the button you need. Now look toward the top right area of the order details page. You should see an option labeled Print Invoice or Download Invoice. Click that button to open or save the invoice as a PDF file. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, open in a new tab, or prompt you to choose where to save it on your device. If the invoice opens in your browser first, you can usually use the download icon to save it as a PDF for your records. If you need a physical copy, you can also print it directly from there. Before closing the page, it's worth checking that the file downloaded correctly and opens without any issues. And that's it. Once the PDF is saved, you'll have a copy of your SHEIN invoice ready for expense tracking, returns, reimbursements, or personal records.